So welcome to the channel CAD Red, and in today's video we are going to do a plotting design of a plot area of 141 feet into 1312 feet. It is a very considerably large area, and first time I'm working on this big area. So I'm going to share this experience, this first time thing with you, and I'm going to do this all live. I'm not going to edit any of the video. I'm going to do all the process right in front of you. I'm going to make a set of designs like maybe four or six or three, something like that, like sets of designs. So in each video I'll put one day design, and for the next video I'll put the second design. So this is the first design, which is a linear pattern. Actually the plot is like this, which is 141 feet by 1312 feet, like this. So first design is the which is a linear design. So as you know, according to the law, we cannot sell more than 55% of the land. So let's consider 50% of the land we cannot sell. So this is what it is. Comes out to be a 30 by 40 feet plot, which comes out to be 72 plots if is the maximum that we can build and we can sell. So what we are doing is, this becomes the central road of the project, and this too becomes the private gardens. After selling like this, they can create a good garden right over here, which will not be given in sanctions, but in later stages of the project this will be created as a individual garden of the plots right over here. So what we will do is, now after around 35, 36 plots right on one of the sides, at 36, like that plot, which becomes 72 plots exactly. So from that, this area is going to be the park area, the pond area, and things like that. More of amenities that cannot be sold, right? So here is actually a existing pond right over here. If I'm not wrong, this is the pond which is right over here. So we're going to shape that pond very nicely. So we'll do it in the later stages. So this is what the first plot is, what we can see. So here I'm going to create a circle, offset it by two, because I want it right over here, which becomes 24 feet, which is good enough for any car to make a turn or to go, which is considerably good enough like this. And you can the car can go right over here. So this can have nice, we can have a water body over here. This is small e 20 feet, so 20 feet. Here will become a water cascade, and here will come the green spaces. So this is what it actually goes. Let's offset feet like this, something like this will make, and this becomes the pond area. As we know it, this is a pond area. So what we can do is, let's restrict the vehicular access from here. What I'm thinking is, we should not an issue, we'll create another sucker here. So what we'll do is just create this thing right over here. So after this doesn't become a vehicular area. Vehicular area just stays this area, and it can go. This will become the amenities area right over there. So this will create a garden. So let's just copy. You know how to copy. You always have to array, and let's say I want 30. Okay, we want more. Okay. Oh, and we'll stop It's right over here. So as we have our this, let's make a layer of the boundary. Say back boundary. We'll have dash lines. Iso dash, of course. Okay, that will be gray. Okay, okay. So this we will select and we will add this to the back boundary area, which will increase the dash lines by, let's say, 5. Can we see 5? Can we see 5? Okay. Let's say 10. Can you see 10? Oh, we can see 10 also. We'll have to increase this. How much? You're not able to see it. This is by layer, right? This is by layer. This is by layer. Don't think it's, yeah, of course. Be like this. So let's check the properties right over here again. Line type per layer. AutoCAD. Let's do AutoCAD. Okay, we're getting something, I think. So one. Okay, one is cool. Now we get a good dash lines right over here. So now we can do this. Yes. Okay. So whatever we did over here, we will also do it on the opposite side of the. Are this not same? Okay. Now let's select similar, and we are going to mirror it right on the opposite side, and we are not going to delete the old ones. So what happens is this becomes the plots. These are the plots. This. I think this area we can increase it as such. Getting a lot of, it's 216, is it? It's 216, is it? Okay. Then I think we'll just decrease this area because it's 18 feet. Okay, 18 feet is a bit more. I think for internal gardens, we can accommodate that to make this road actually bigger, which is 25 feet. 25 feet is well enough for. Let's do it. 13 will be not a good number. Then we'll have 18, 3, 3 will add up 6, which will be 31 feet. Okay, let's do one thing. We'll make this back area as 15 feet. In feet, we'll deselect this area. And this we'll just move this by 3 feet. Yep. Circle you are going because you will come back again. This also we will. Okay. We'll just join this lines. Some lines, and we will. This also got selected. We'll move this by 3 feet right over here. So this becomes now 31, and this circle also becomes a better and bigger one, so the cars can have a good enough way to be, yeah, it's 138 is very good enough. So this is what our first layout will look like. It is something like this. Well enough, now we'll make this as a scheme plan. So let's add text. One, or one should be on the ruler. One should be on the right to the entrance. That is according to Vastu Prakara, or you can just say that's because everyone believes that is good enough. So just we'll go with that. The text is giving us a bit. Let's mix 40 feet or 10 feet. Okay, we're doing this here. So we're just moving this here. From the plot number one, this is big enough for any. I think we'll have to reduce the size by, let's say, 6 feet is good enough. So we'll just array this and make it 36. Okay, now we'll select right over here. Then we'll write the command t count, select it over from 1, overwrite. So this becomes right from here to number 36. It actually became opposite. This was not our plan, right? Let's try it from here. I think we did it from here, right? It should happen from here. I don't know why. We'll again do it with the count. Select order. Yeah, over it. Oops. This is not right. We'll have to do it again. You want the numbering from right here, so it's okay. We'll just select the order. From here we want. Actually, the selecting is just a very dumb decision of ours. We should not do this actually. But yeah, what we can do is just this. Okay, so I'll share with you with another design. This is the first linear design. I'll just end with this video. Actually, I'll be working on this and we'll show you the presented output right when we do it. So yeah, thank you for watching and share it with someone who may need it. And we are done with our plotting scheme. Yeah. Okay.